everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Rio Tales, and today we have here fab bag for the month of August. So this month fab bag comes in this long purse and there are several colors available, but the design I think is really classy and cute. It's quite a spacious bag as well. So the price is $5.99 plus free shipping, and this month there are no makeup choices or anything. Everybody will be receiving the same set of products. So this is the fab bag purse this time. Theme is the Lash and Line August fab bag. There are 4 products which are common for everyone, and the 5th product will be a bonus product which could be totally random. And this time the focus is on eye makeup. So the first product that we have here that is common for everyone is by the brand Teen Cosmetics brand, and what we have here is their gel liner in the variant Rich Black. So it comes with the spot liner and an applicator brush as well. It expires in 2024 and the manufacturing is March 2019. Expiry is still there, but anyway, so the details are all mentioned here as to ingredients and all. It contains squalene, kaolin, beeswax. I mean, those are some really very impressive ingredients, and the price is 449 rupees. You're getting 4 grams of the product. I'm not opening it and using it because I have so many liners right now and I really don't want to waste it that way. The next product that we have here is again from Teen Cosmetics. It is the Super Sizer Fiber Waterproof Mascara. It is a newly manufactured product and the price of this one is 549 rupees. At the back side all the ingredient list is mentioned here. Beeswax is a common ingredient, so I'm assuming that it's going to be a lot more moisturizing and smooth on the lashes as well. So this is the packaging. Nice simple packaging. It actually feels quite heavy also, and I like the ombre effect also. This is how the wand of the mascara looks like, and it has a very faint fragrance, not too artificial, not too sweet or anything, but yeah. So that is the product, and the shade is black. The black will be like a common shade for everybody. So these are the 2 products, makeup products, which are the highlights of this month. The next product is from the brand called Tejas Blends. I found their Insta page. It's a new page, but it is a Indian brand. This is their Lavender Foot Mist 50 ml Expert Care for Active Feet. At the back side, the ingredient list is mentioned here. I can see lavender as the main floral ingredient in this one, obviously, and here is all the details. Let's just see the fragrance of this one anyway. So it feels like water, and it has a predominant fragrance of lavender. A little too strong, but since it's a food spray, it shouldn't really matter. And I think it has some sort of a cooling sensation as well. I am someone who uses a lot of different foot care products. I just like the fact that I'm taking care of my feet. The next product that we have here is by the brand Monsub. It is the Lavender Soothing and Firming Facial Mask 20 ml. So basically this is a one-time use sheet mask. We all know about Monsub and sheet mask, so no need of further explanation there, and this will be common for everybody. The next product common for everyone is by the brand Nyasa. It is the Shea Butter Exfoliating Moisturizing Face and Body Scrub with sesame oil and jojoba beads. It is a 30-gram product. I checked the website. I don't think they have a full size. Like, I think this is their standard size for this particular variant, and this is how the texture of the scrub looks like. It has a nice creamy fragrance, and looking at the quantity, I think as a body scrub it should last 1 or 2 times, and depending on the abrasion of the scrubbing particles, you can use it on your face if you would like to. Anyway, Nyasa is not a very common brand among subscription boxes, so if you are interested in trying out a new brand, then that's good. Now, the last product that I received as a bonus, as I said, it could be totally random for each of us. It is the Chronocare Body Butter for all skin types. It contains shea butter and aloe vera, and 40 ml. So basically, I think this bonus product will be one of the products from an early edition, and it will be random. It could be skincare, makeup, body care. We really don't know, but this is what I received. So that is everything in my August fab bag. I think this time I am excited for the foot mist. I think it's because of the lavender presents the color, and I also like the pouch this time really. The mascara also looks quite promising to me. So these are the 3 products that I like this month. Let me know what are your thoughts. You can also use my coupon code for additional discount. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will meet again. Until then, take care.